Hey, what's going on, guys? It's EliteTube here, and today, before the video, I just want to say that the uploads are going to get really common, like probably maybe like 2 or more a week, because I'm going to Florida, and it's going to be videos like flips into pools, super fast RC cars, manatees, dolphins, alligators, stuff like that, giant sand castles, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, let's get to the video. I'm gonna be giving my cat a bath and it's gonna hate it. Okay, here we go. As you can see, there is a cat in its natural habitat. Getting a wash.
Oh, look at the blood.
Jacob, you could help now. Watch.
There's all kinds of blood coming off this cat. Oh my god. It's not good. Poor thing. It's probably got scabs all over. I can probably feel them.
I can feel one right now.
Yeah.
Jacob, put some of that going in my hand. Spray.
Stay here, kitty. Ew, blood. Blood.
More, Jacob. In my hand. Okay, now his head.
No, stay here. Scrub him. I'm holding him. Scrub him.
Dude, what about these ones that are right there?
Try to pick them off.
Not splashing.
Is this foot lathered up at all?
No. Oh, in my eyeball.
Jacob,
wipe my eye.
Come on.
Wipe my eye with that towel right there. Oh my god, ow. Okay. They're all going to space.
That's what they do. That's why you're supposed to put the soap around their neck first. And then that like makes a barrier. Because they'll go right to their face and then you can't get them off their face.
Actually cooperating, kind of?
Look at the blood in the water.
Blood water?
Blood water.
Well, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. It's brown. Look at
all of them.
it probably has scabs all over its body.
Oh, yeah. Holy
Hold them
crap.
real quick.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at its leg. Look at all them fleas.
Oh, look down there. Look at its butthole. It's so bloody. Oh.
This might take you to hold the cat too.
Really?
Look at his head.
Yeah, I know. Don't scrub right there too much. That was from the stupid flea killers.
Yeah.
Cutting into
It's got fleas like all over it, and it's just been eating it up. So, yeah, and it's like getting really bad, where it's scratching 24/7.
Just let it go. Just let it go. But
You gotta hold the
It's all
claws. It's gonna claw the shit out of us.
it's all
Rip
right.
hair tie,
It's okay.
2017.
It's all right.
2017.
Relax.
The cat ain't gonna listen to you.
Relax.
Just hold its feet, so don't claw it to
I
death.
believe it just tried to bite me.
Its heart's racing.
Oh yeah, let's just get this over with, poor thing. And we try to get some of them off of them. I mean, they're dying. Dawn just so works. It kills them. Sure. Let's see.
Whoa.
Well,
Geez.
we're getting them dead.
I just stuck my hand in the water, and it felt like this huge fluffy thing over there.
Oh.
His tail.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it is.
Are those fleas?
They're all over.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how bloody this water is.
Poor thing.
Holy.
That's probably why it's crying. You know? He's being eaten wide.
Okay, kitty.
It's alright.
Don't worry, we're saving your life.
You gotta get underneath them.
Same
somehow.
with Brutus, like
Belly
he's
and
really
stuff.
bloody.
You should put like a rag over his face so he can't see what you're doing. Relax.
That would just make him scared.
I think he's okay with it. Like, 'cause we're like rubbing him, petting him. He's not freaking out.
He's
Like I
probably
thought he
like,
would.
I hate my
Oh,
life.
look at that water.
Wow.
Let's dump that water. Just keep him in there though. I'm
Don't
getting
you
new
bite
water.
me.
No, don't.
No bite.
You hit the camera, Mom.
No biting. Trying to help you, stupid.
That is insane.
You gotta let him sit in that soap for a while, you know?
Let me go and get Brutus. Let me get Brutus. Alright. Look at that cat puke. You. Hey Brutus. Say hi to the elite tubers. Brutus. Hey. Handshake. Shake. Dab on him. Brutus, dab. Dab, Brutus. Dab. Okay, let's check back on the camera.
Oh yeah, for sure. We have to do this again in a couple days, you know, because then some more eggs will hatch, you know,
Yep.
and then you gotta do it again, and then try to break the cycle. See, them ones are dead. That soap killed them. They're just sitting there. They're just stuck in his hair, you know.
Yeah.
They're dead though. Otherwise, you see them crawling away. Look at all these. These are all dead. But these are the big ones, see?
Yep.
Those are big
Look at his
ones.
arm. Shoulder under my finger right there.
Yeah, those are
See
huge
right here up
ones.
there on his white
Yeah, them
front.
are the mamas.
What is it?
You know?
There's one right there.
That's where they go. They keep get rid of them all completely because they go right to their
This
face.
one right here, see it?
How does it feel, Kitty?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Relax.
It's
You might want to
okay.
warm the water just a little bit.
Let's try to turn it down, but it's too hot. I'm afraid.
Or just a skinny phone.
Jacob, go see if there's a comb or something in the bathroom.
Skinny phone.
Dance till you're dead, 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 dead. This one?
No, what the?
I can't find one. I give up. Well, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to lick, you know, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Swear!